Hello, and thanks for stopping by. Today we'll be discussing video compression for ffmpeg. Now ffmpeg can do a lot of things. It's like a Swiss Army knife for video and audio. But what I want to focus on today is video compression. This will take like a 260 something megabyte file and turn it into a 20 megabyte file. Give or take, of course. My point is that it takes videos and it compresses them down as small as they can possibly be. And I think it's something that every YouTuber needs to have. Because we as YouTubers upload a lot of videos. And we like to store copies of our videos in case we want to post them somewhere else. But we need to be able to compress our videos so that we have more space on our hard drive for more videos. And today I want to show you the process of compressing your videos. So the first thing you'll want to do is cd into the directory in which your file is located. Mine is located in testing. And we're going to ls to see the contents of the folder. And as you can see here, one of my latest videos, which is raw, is in this folder. And in the terminal, you want to type in ffmpeg-i, which stands for input. And then you'll want to put in single quotes whatever the name of your file is. -c:\v, which stands for video codec. libx264, and then in single quotes we're going to put in the file name of our new file. Go ahead and hit enter, and it is converting, and I'll come back once the video is converted. And now that the conversion is complete, let's go into Ranger and see what it looks like. So Debian backports.mkv ended up being 274 megabytes. Test.mp4 ended up being 23.8 megabytes. Now I'd say that is a drastic change. And hopefully you'll see why I'm recommending ffmpeg to people who need video compression. You don't need a GUI to do it. You don't need all those options that a GUI gives you. You just need one simple command, and the rest is history. And with that, we have come full circle. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and I shall see you guys in the next video.